What's up guys, in today's videos I'm going to show you how you can show or hide bookmarks in Chrome or Microsoft Edge. I'm just doing simple one steps, very easy and straightforward, but you can hide that bookmarks and shows in your bar. Okay, and the first thing is you want to open your Microsoft Edge and go to settings. Okay, in setting select the appearance. As you can see here, the show the favorite bar, right? It's right here. So if I click this, it's gonna show the bar. If I disable this, it's gonna hide that. So similarly in Chrome, what you can do, right? It's same process, very straightforward. Go to settings again. In appearance, here as you can see, so right now there is nothing on showing on here, right? The bar. So if I click this, it's gonna show that all the bookmarks that I did it. But if I unselect this, it's not going to show here. Hope this helped. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.